Girls, it is Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it's an always major anticipated one, the February Planner Perfect subbox.
Taking one more breath beside you, so I could find strength to divide us.
Okay, girls, it's the February subbox time. I know, raise your hand if you quickly was fast forwarding through the intro. I know you were. It's okay, but stay tuned just for this because I want to share with you really quick for this box, what my vision was. So for the vision for this, I wanted it to be delicate and I wanted it to be very feminine. It is a representative of love. There's Valentine's Day. I had all the feels. I feel I nailed it. I pray I nailed it. I felt, as an artist, you always just go by where you're feeling and where you're wanting to go with your paintings. And I definitely felt the love vibes. So, January came in like a tiger. I mean, she's fierce and I am in love with her. And honestly, I could probably hang out with her for January, February, March, April, halfway through the year. Okay, I'm in love with that girl. But I do love the vibes, what February brings, and with all of its love and hearts and fun things. And being a mom, I love all things Valentine's Day. We play Valentine's bingo. We play games where I have to kiss them all day. We make a cute chart. Talking about that later. And so let's dive into the box and let me show you what's headed your way here within a couple days. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, here we go. The Valentine subscription box. Let's just dive right in. I don't have it in the main packaging just because I wanted to make it easy, but of course all of these do come shipped with them very much cared for with linen bags and canvas bags and all of that kind of thing. So I'm gonna just start right gateway out of the gate with the books. So this is what I decided on for the February girl for the box, okay? And for the planner, now I put the girl on the planner. So she's delicate, she's beautiful, she's a ballerina, okay? And she's got hearts all over her, as you can see. She's gorgeous. I also painted the back full of roses because it's Valentine's Day, you guys. So I just thought she flowed beautifully. She's gorgeous to look at and very feminine too for February. I mean, you just don't get anything more beautiful, I feel, for Valentine's Day is a ballerina. And then the theme is love. So I have Love Never Fails within a beautiful pink wreath. And I painted her up. These are both acrylic, and Love Never Fails. So the theme is love, which stands to reason. And I hope that you absolutely love it. So this will be your war binder for February. Of course, you could use it for anything that you like and what your needs are. But within the community, we're going to continue on with creating another. So this will be your February war binder / journal. So it's where your go-to devotionals will go every month as you get closer to God and he reveals his plans to you. So that is where you're going in here. So those are the books. And noticing I have bread dough on my fingers as I was doing my bread. Let's go right into the tip-ins. They turned out spectacular. I just love the new feel of the tip-ins. Of course, you've got the ballerina girl. I also want to share that one of these images is going to be a prayer warrior girl coming up. So if you can guess who that might be. Here is one girl that I absolutely love that really represents a prayer warrior. So she's got love in her feathers and I can't even handle it. I'm in love with her. I just am. It's funny. when I paint and I say that, I'm not even giving tribute to like something I'm doing. I feel like, and I'm not even saying it's so great that it looks good. I'm saying I just love what art can represent. I guess that's what I'm saying. It's like, I'm like, this, she represents. I always say that, like, but it's true. It's like, she represents a prayer warrior. And here she is to help you out in your January journal. Let your light shine. I thought this was cute, and so I painted it, okay? And so it's adorable. Let your light shine. You get 2 of each of these. Of course, you've got the journal cover, Love Never Fails. A lot of new stuff in this box. This is also a design I painted. So this is a leopard. A little history on what we call it in this house, the Penton house, Zsa Zsa, after Zsa Zsa Gabor, okay? So whenever I used to dress my girls in leopard all the time when they were little, and I would say, let's get your Zsa Zsa coat on, girls. So all my girls think that leopard print is Zsa Zsa. They're like, hey, do you have that Zsa Zsa jacket or that Zsa Zsa coat? I'm like, girl, you know I do. Okay, so anyway, here's your Zsa Zsa print. To just because you want, it's pink, it's girly, it's feminine. There you go. And of course, I put love in the middle of my nestled roses in acrylic. And I think you're going to really love using these to put scripture on the back, to use as gift tags, to write down an extra addendum for your day, to write a different itinerary. It is up to you, and you tip these into your planner when you use it. So when you go in here to use your planner, let's see if I have one in here yet. Usually I do, but this is what you would do, is you're just simply tipping it in your planner. You can also washi it in a little bit of tape, that way it stays. But what I've been using mine for is basically to be putting in a verse of the day for me to memorize. So as you can see how gorgeous this would look with a scripture for the day, and or for the week even, to really keep it memorized in your heart, and you've got this tipped in your planner. Let's go right into the stickers. Again, a little bit of some of artwork that you've seen, and then some new. Because I love pulling back the oldies. I want you to notice the Zsa Zsa hearts, okay? Let's take notice and pay some tribute to that, okay? How cute is that? So we've got Valentine's Day. This is probably one of my favorite cupcakes that I've drawn. I've got a couple out there. I wanted this one. Of course, we have put on there, Be Mine. It's perfecto. You can't go wrong with her. She's adorbs, and so I included her. We've got the Frappuccino here that's got the heart, the Let Your Light Shine, a Zsa Zsa heart, hello, with a little heart envelope. She's making a little back end, she's coming back a little bit for that, to say hi. This coffee, it's got a heart. It has to be here. The donuts with heart sprinkles. I mean, she's coming back to say hello. This girl, these are some of the older artworks, and they're coming back to say hi with the light bulb with the heart in it. So that is this one. Now on this sticker sheet, I brought some of my girls back. I wanted it to be feminine, more girl power, and to just remind you of who you are. Here we've got the roses and acrylics up here, so I thought that really turned out cute. So we've got the ballerina girl for February. She's our February girl. Of course, we've got this Parisian gal that was last year's art, I do believe. And of course, we brought back Simone. She just brings back such class. She's got red roses in her hair. We're like, let's do it. And here we've got Prayer Warrior here, girl, who represents the month. And she's got the love, the feathers that do script love with, of course, our big, beautiful heart. She was too forthcoming, I felt, for the box, so she wasn't one of the girls. She just also didn't, it was a mix match with the softness of the ballerina. So be looking for her though coming up. Let me know how much you like her though, because I aim to please. Of course, you've got to have you got to have some flowers, and these are timeless. I feel that my artwork is timeless in terms of bringing things back. I hope you feel the same, because I don't want them to leave and never come back. So here they are. They also, I used all my stickers up within the month anyways, so I'm always very happy. It's actually, I always grab more than these, because I usually get a little overhanded with them. So there are the stickers, girls. Let's look at the washi. When I go to design my washi, I like it to be something that looks good and represents well on washi. I did my Jaja leopard. Okay, it's the first time that it's been on a washi. Sorry about that. So it looks really, really good. You might not be able to get a good see on it on here, but trust me when I say it's gorgeous. We've got the sprinkled heart donuts and coffee with a heart. I feel like this represents our box really, really well, and lays well in the washi when you go to lay it down. All of those things have to come into consideration when you're designing washi. So I thought that it really turned out good. Girls, there is the February box, totally headed your way. Within days here from this video. And I'm really hoping, leave a comment, let me know what you think, that, you know, there's good representation here for you to have a beautiful planned February with all of your dreams, your goals, and all of your love. I love you, girls. Until next time.